Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. What we'd like to do is talk a little bit more about our grid program. We have full-size grids and we have grid minis, and today what we'd like to do is break down talking a little bit more about the grid minis and the floor plans within each of these that you see behind me here. So the floor plans that exist in the grid mini are the GM1 and the GM2. The GM1 features seating for 2 and sleeping for 3, while the GM2 has a bit more of an open design that allows for seating for 3 and sleeping for 3. Each of these floor plans include the same standard features throughout, starting with a dinette, cooking space, a fridge, interior storage, a toilet, shower, and a queen-size bed. So what we're going to do now is dive into the specific differences of these two different floor plans, starting with our GM1. So the GM1 is all about being able to haul gear, but not on the outside of your vehicle, but on the inside of your vehicle so that it's safe and secure. As a result of that, you end up with a slightly smaller footprint on the inside, but you can see there's still lots of ample room, and it still includes all of the same features that you'll find in all of our grids. So that compact space is put to great use by incorporating a garage in the back of the camper that is fully heated for all of your gear that you want to keep on the inside. So this garage features a slide-out tray on the passenger side. It was designed and intended for mountain bikes. However, if mountain bikes are not needed, you do have the ability to store more gear or totes in this compartment as well. So on the driver's side, we've got a tall ski locker. This ski locker allows the ability to haul tall items such as skis, snowboards, fishing poles, whatever you need that just doesn't quite fit in a normal size compartment. Now where our GM1 has more of a focus on the interior gear storage with the garage, the GM2 loses the garage and gains more leisure space on the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at the GM2 and the space that that provides. So after a long day doing whatever you might have done for activities, the GM2 allows for lots of space for multiple people to sit down and have a good time. It's also a great spot to be able to just relax and kind of use for leisure time compared to having a smaller booth space. So this is where you gain a little more from having this floor plan versus the GM1. So if you like to do a little bit more elaborate cooking, the galley in the GM2 gives you a lot more space to work with. Allows you to really move around as you're doing things. And you even have this nice little unique pull-out drawer here for doing additional food prep. So just another feature in the GM2. Since the GM2 floor plan does not have a garage, you gain an increased footprint and a larger dinette on the inside. But you still gain a unique storage feature below this dinette. That is accessible from both the inside and the outside. And like the GM1, you do still have a ski locker on the driver's side of the vehicle within the GM2. So thanks for joining us today as we broke down the GM1 and the GM2. We hope that was helpful in giving you a better understanding of why you might choose one over the other. If you need more information or you'd like to learn more specifics about each build or see more photos, feel free to check out all the links that are in the description below. Until next time guys, thanks for watching.